Welcome to the enlightening journey of frugal living, an approach that transforms each dollar into avenues of happiness and value. In an era shadowed by economic uncertainty, frugal living emerges as a beacon of necessity, guiding us towards making thoughtful choices, leveraging those saved pennies for long-term contentment and financial stability. Join us as we delve into frugal living, debunking myths, exploring its significance, and unveiling how joyful a life oriented towards value and mindful expenditure can be. Together, we'll journey through practical techniques to maximize our resources, ensuring a quality life without the compromise. With a solid foundation in frugal living laid, we now steer into the realm of budgeting, a crucial co-pilot in our journey. Picture a budget as your financial compass, guiding through the tempests of economic unpredictability with grace. This part of our voyage focuses on the architecture of budgeting, articulating your needs, tracking expenditures, and setting visionary goals. It's about embracing a lifestyle that resonates with your aspirations while living within your means. As we unravel the layers of effective budgeting, prepare to transform this perceived chore into a dynamic tool for navigating financial landscapes. Progressing from the art of budgeting, our journey brings us to cost-cutting tips that work. Here, we tackle the everyday challenge of diminishing expenses without curtailing the love for life. We commence with reducing utility bills, a simple venture into a more efficient home. Venturing into strategic grocery shopping and smart meal planning reveals how quality sustenance need not drain our wallets. And by reassessing the need for ongoing subscriptions, we find financial leaks that, once sealed, proving that frugality enriches rather than restricts. Transitioning smoothly into the interactive part of our guide, we present an exercise that shifts theory into practice. The interactive budgeting exercise invites you to actively engage with your finances, setting the stage for a deeper understanding and immediate application. It's a hands-on approach to evaluating income, discerning essential expenses, and reimagining discretionary spending. This is where the essence of frugal living becomes a tangible reality, paving the way towards achieving both your fiscal and life-enriching goals. Emboldened by practical knowledge and newfound insights from our interactive exercise, we ascend to the Mindful Spending Challenge. A thrilling call to action, this phase beckons you to implement learned principles over a transformative 30-day journey. By observing, reflecting, and adjusting your spending habits, this challenge is poised to reshape your financial landscape. It's an empowering quest towards enlightenment, where each participant emerges more attuned to their economic behaviors, fostering discipline that extends beyond monetary matters into a philosophy of intentional living. Whether it's about initiating a budget, curbing unnecessary expenditure, or finding joy in simplicity, this interactive dialogue aims to clear the fog, steering your financial journey towards calm seas. It's an opportunity to refine our understanding and commit to a life of mindful choices.